Good morning, guys. So just a really quick update. You're looking at the ramp that is here on the C1 bike lane. We have a beautiful weather this morning. Just gonna show you this new waiting shed that has been constructed along the C1 bike lane. So it's very similar to the ones that are found in Diversion Road. And the pumps seems to be have grown bigger, as you can see right there, and some of the plants as well. I'll be showing you further, maybe about a kilometer away from here, a part where the missing piece of the C1 bike lane, which has not been constructed for many months. I think the last update we have is in April. So we'll take a look at the current progress right there. This is it is actually the part where there is no bike lane yet when we did the last update. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, so I'm here near the location where the missing segment that is under construction right now. So this is still part of the C1 bike lane. This has been in progress just recently, since this is the missing piece. And as you can see, there are still filling up the soil, and I think they are making the drainage system as well. So this is roughly around maybe at least 800 meters starting from here. So this is the drainage system right here. As you can see, it goes from here until the, I think, the Esplanade bridge over there. So it's around at least 800, or maybe, yeah, roughly 800 meters from here. So hopefully it will be finished, and the this part of the C1 bike lane will be complete. Probably maybe a month or two it will be done. Okay, so that's just about it for now. Just a quick update of the C1 bike lane. Thank you for watching, guys.